What's going on, guys? Today is day trading review number 6, and honestly today's been tough. It's been quite choppy, and my P&L was kind of like a roller coaster. I went from up 170 to down 150, and then kind of crawled my way back up to break even, up $15. So a very small green day today, and green is good. I'm just so glad I didn't go red on the day. But basically, I traded 4 stocks. AERC for continuation from yesterday. It made a huge move, which I missed. It went from a low of 387 all the way up to 14s. But yeah, to start the day, I traded AERC. And I did quite well pre-market on my first 5 trades. I went 4 for 5 green, and then after that, a little bit before market opened, I kind of lost most of my profit. So I went from 170 to only up 60, I think, on the day. So I gave back a big chunk of profit. And then as the market opened, as I saw it drop, I didn't really have much faith in it anymore. So I just kind of traded more conservatively. And then at the end, I did some small size trades. I think I shorted this 600 shares. Yeah, I shorted this. I went from long to flip short, and then made back some money. But nothing special here. Just some momentum trading and dip trading. And then for the next stock, RDBX, I went from green to red on it. So on RDBX, I got a nice 10-cent before market opened, and then as the market opened, it was just a little bit too choppy for me. It just rallied up and then straight back down, and then rallies back up and then straight back down. So it was kind of hard for me to trade this. There was no setups that seemed very obvious, so I don't even think I should have traded much of this at all. And I ended up down 127 on it, which is a shame. For the next stock, I traded EFOI, and I went 3 for 3 red on all the trades, which just gave me sort of like a red flag telling me that I shouldn't really be trading this when I went red 3 for 3. So I didn't touch it afterwards, but I lost about $75 on it, which is like quite sizable. So this is the position summary for the day. I did overtrade a lot towards the end, especially with HTCR, but I'm not going to count these because they weren't very realistic. So I'm just going to count that I'm up $14 on the day, and I'll just be grateful for that, to be honest.